I almost fell. My last ice fishing trip did not go so well. It went well, it just wasn't the best for big fish. It went a little something like this. A 4-inch bluegill got me that stoked. What are you gonna do? Little bluegill, no big deal. It was kind of fun, and it was really neat to use that camera. Chris, which is the guy over there tying his shoe, invited me to fish one of his small little honey holes that he filmed at a few days ago, and he said, dude, there is massive bluegill in here, big crappie, and a decent amount of largemouth bass. The other thing you guys can expect in today's video is we are gonna be on a road trip. This is just the start of a 3 to 4 day trek up north. Chris and I are going to go up to the Monticello area of Minnesota, where we will be sturgeon fishing and smallmouth fishing in the open water Mississippi. We're gonna take you guys along with. It's gonna be dope. But for now, we're gonna fish this tiny little Illinois pond and see if we can't crank on them. Stay tuned, enjoy, and put your winter jackets on because it's cold. You guys ready for this? This is about to happen. Chris said this pond is juice money, like for days, and I'm just gonna rip a spoon. I don't even care. Like, I'm not even gonna get real finessey with him right now. I'm just gonna rip a spoon down there. Not to destroy your thunder, they hate. Well, you know what, Chris? I have a different spoon than what you'd probably normally throw. I could see you throwing some dusty spoon down there. I've got what they want, to be completely honest with you. That is a ginormous bluegill. I think it's looking at, oh wait, is that my spoon right there? No. Where the heck is my spoon at?
My spoon is too big.
Confirmed there are fish down there, and they are acting funny. You got one finally? What do you got? Do you need help? Tighten up that drag maybe a little bit. Okay, we're going back down. This time I'm throwing some live bait opposed to soft plastic. Get him to commit maybe. Come on now. I'm just waiting for that one big one. I don't even care if I miss a bunch of little ones. Come on, where are you at, Lucy? Where you at, Betty? Eat my wax worm. There we go, there we go. I'm on. I'm on. Ooh, nice gill. Not a bad gilly. Haha, we did it. Check it out. What I'm about to say is pretty embarrassing, but oh, let's try not to drop him on the ice there, JB. What I'm about to say is pretty embarrassing, but this is by far the biggest bluegill I've caught through the ice all season. I haven't really been going much for bluegill, and the bluegill I do catch while trying to bass fish have been like 4 inches. Like, this crushes my personal best 2018 bluegill. This is my PB 2018 bluegill. I could go for a flare title right now. My PB, just caught my PB, pond record. According to Chris, there are some fish in here, some bluegill that are twice that size. So I'm gonna get back down there and hope maybe that Big Bertha comes out and plays. It was a nice fish though. It's a good way to get started. Just had to kind of get things kindled up, you know? Get the bluegill movement on. Hooked up. Another okay gill. Check it out. Oh my God, look at this thing. Oh, can you take the camera off my tripod to show this thing? What in the what?
Get him to hold. What is that?
Those are eggs.
Why are they outside his body?
Those aren't fish eggs though, Chris. We just caught something weird. What is, it looks like tiny little eggs.
Bring it up a little bit.
You see that?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is, you guys, but I just caught this bluegill. It's my second bluegill of the day. I was about to say, oh wow, look how pretty it is. And then I flip over the other side of it, and there's this. I don't know if it's like tumorous or if these are like, it looks like eggs, honestly, like eggs on the outside of a fish. Like there's some sort of deformity going on here. I've never seen anything like that. It's crazy what you'll find in some of these little ponds. What the frick, man, that is odd. Well, I'm gonna get Buddy back in the water. I don't really know what's going on with this gill. He's kind of messed up. I feel bad for him, but hey, he bit. If you guys know what's going on with this bluegill, comment in the comment section below. It's very odd. I've never seen anything like this. It's almost too colorful to be tumorous, but I could be wrong. Back in the water you go. Well, that was quite interesting. I feel like I should take a Purell bath after handling that bluegill. Never seen a fish look that deformed. I've seen some crazy deformities. Fish with no lower jaws, fish missing eyes, you know, big giant tumors on fish's heads, but that I think takes the cake. That was quite unique. Why is it that bluegills have bigger balls than all the other fish species? Such freaking courageous attitudes. Oh, here we go. Got one coming up. Got one coming up. Come on, fishy, where are you at, buddy? There he is. That was such a light bite. Did you see that? Wow, banger.
Wow.
That's a real banger, folks. This is not what I want. I do not want little bass. Not to sound like a whiny angler here, but for frick's sakes, there's supposed to be giant bass and giant gillies in here. Why am I getting squeaky little freaking nugget bass? What is going on, little dude? Get back down there, you hatchling. You little yearling. I don't like this, so I'm gonna keep drawing. Well, guys, I've caught 2 bluegill. One had a giant tumor, and I also caught a bass that was the size of my pinky finger. So I think I'm gonna move away from this somewhat not so productive water and go find some bigger and better things. And by bigger and better things, I mean giant crappie and largemouth and bluegill the size of my hands put together. Chris has got some dead sticks set up, which is good. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get mobile a little bit. I'm gonna look for some more fish with the Vexler. I'm really freaking bummed out that Aquaview is kind of, I don't know, I guess it's just not ideal for this pond, or maybe the sunlight's not right. When it's like 12 p.m., like you can't see anything. What the freaking glare is. So don't get me started. Okay, we're gonna go find some fish though with the Vexy. Freaking wieners. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? Little gilly. I'll take it. Hey, this is a lot better than yesterday. I don't know if you guys watched the video I was breaking in the new underwater camera, but I would say, I don't know, 100% of the bluegill I was catching were about a quarter of the size of ones I'm catching now, so. Feels good to actually get into some substantial meat here. I was really getting tired of catching those freaking cookie cutter micros. Hooked up. Another one. Ooh, a little bit bigger bluegill. I'm the bluegill master over here. Another gill. They're really pretty in here, like super nice colors. Look how orange belly of that dude is. And there's another one right down there. I'm gonna get in it. Let go of my waxies, I need those. See ya. All right, there's another one down there. He's about to get got. Oh, that rod's going off, Chris. That one right there. So you don't want it. It's about to go off. Right now, it's going off. It's going off. It's going off. Ah! I just pulled a hamstring. Oh shoot, I have a fish. Oh my gosh, no way. There was a fish on in the hole. I dropped my rod to get the dead stick. That is freaking nuts. Well, that's a first, and it's another gill. All right, I'll take it. Oh, sorry bud, I didn't mean to drop you there. Air high five, nice. We're doing better. Started slow, worked our way up. Oh man, there we go. That was a steady mark. Oh wow, oh wow. Me. Yeah, well, I freaking tried to yank him up for the hole. I thought it was a bluegill. That was like the weakest fight from a largemouth I think I've ever felt. Oh, solid job. Way to go, Ace. I was about to move too. Did you guys even see that? I wonder if you guys even saw that. It's a good fish. I literally was pulling him up because I thought he was a bluegill. And yeah, 2-pound bass. Nice. Way to go, Ace. So this is what we got going on. Chris is way down over there fishing for some bluegill, and I have found a hole that has a ton of fish in it. I'm in about 9 feet 2 inches of water. I don't know if you can really see those fish coming up. Right around here I'm getting a bunch of flickers. There's fish that are holding to this spot. I'm gonna get my camera in position, see if I can drop on down there and wreck some toadies. What do you guys think? Think I can make it happen? I think I can do this. All right, wish me luck. Oh, got him. That was sick. Ooh, not a bad gill too. This is definitely the biggest one for me of the day. There's nothing quite like watching them approach that bait, kind of like nose up to it and chomp it all on camera. Definitely my biggest one of the day, maybe close to 8.5, 9 inches. Good little gill. That is just too sick, man. Too sick for school. And with that being said, we're gonna throw you back. Woo! Got him. We on, baby. Dead stick. Come here. That was awesome. I did not think that fish was gonna eat like that. Oh my gosh, that's not a bad largemouth. Look at that. That is not a bad largemouth. Holy smokes. Take that all day, baby. Whew. That was awesome. Easily my biggest fish of the day on the minnow underwater camera. Love it. All right, bud. Get back down there in your hole. That was cool. That's like watching nature, man. That's just unbelievable. So crazy. I definitely think the word of the day was bluegill. Like, without a doubt.
I've never caught so many bluegills in my life. Like, not even close.
I'm not gonna say it was a bad day fishing, because it actually wasn't. It was a great day fishing. We caught so many freaking fish, but they were all the exact same type of fish. This is the same type of video I filmed yesterday, but these fish were only like 3 inches bigger than the ones I was. You know what? I'm not gonna go there. We're not gonna talk about this. You guys are probably thinking, wow, this is the part where he wraps up today's video. You'd be wrong. We, Chris and I, actually have about, what, a 6.5, 7 hour drive?
Sorry, I'm a little dead right now.
Same. I'm freaking fried.
I'm so dead.
I never had a little fish actually wore me out today. Can you believe that?
5 hours, 15 minutes. I was expecting 7. That made me really happy.
5 hours, 15 minutes is nothing. We could kill that tonight, dude. Oh, wake up. They got the Polar Pops here? Oh, what are you eyeing there?
They got cows.
As the Nelk boys would say, Chris and I are gonna do a full send all the way to Minnesota tonight. We were thinking about stopping in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, but I don't think that's gonna happen. We're just gonna get to our destination, get to where we need to be so that we can wake up in the morning and get after it. Big, big diet, dude. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. That's tall boy.
That's what we need. Do you need anything else?
Actually, I'm just thirsty. I'm gonna grab.
Listen, dude, whatever quenches your thirst. Mission success. We have got some caffeine, some fuel, and some actual fuel. Filled up the old Highlander, old blue. Chris, I've got some bad news though.
What's that?
While you were ripping some Z's, the boys that we're gonna be fishing with tomorrow, they texted me and they said the fish we're after probably aren't gonna be chomping too hard, and you wanna know if bluegill sounded good to you, just through the ice.
Only if they're less than 7 inches long.
It's not really much of a surprise as to what we're going after tomorrow, but the ironic thing is today we fished after panfish. You know, we chased up some little pannies like that are this big, and the fish we're gonna be targeting tomorrow through the ice is what, probably 12, 13 times big, like just huge, you know? So it's kind of funny. It's almost like, from a hunting standpoint, going from rabbit hunting to bear hunting. It's the best way I can describe it. On a less goofy and more serious note, shout out to this guy for getting us a hotel tonight. We really needed that. We should be rolling in to the Minnesota area right around, what do you think, 1 or 12:30-ish, give or take.
ETA is 12:17.
12:17, so pretty good, honestly. Here's the thing though, I was at a steady pace of 85 to 80 miles per hour. That may or may not have been the speed limit, but it has really made up for the fact that we ice fished a residential pond for a good 4 hours too many. Got the dew, got the unleaded, and we will see you guys in Minnesota. You know, that drive wasn't that bad. It just, it was actually that bad. We just pulled up to our hotel. Looks nice. I'm so blitzed right now. 310 miles, 1 bottle of Mountain Dew, and a full tank of gas later. We have made it. We are here.
I'm so happy to be in a bed.
We've had kind of a long day. You guys know it. I'm not gonna sit here and explain it to you. We will see you guys in the morning. Be sure to check out the Rig GT hat if you haven't already done so. They're selling fairly well, maybe. I don't know. I actually have no idea how they're selling. But if you guys buy one, I'll love you forever. We're signing out. Peace. Catch you guys in the morning. And as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.